What is up? So today I'm going to be recreating one of my favorite Vietnamese dishes, the gum sung, which is a Vietnamese pork chop. So let's go. So to make the Vietnamese pork chop, we're gonna need to make the marinade. So you're gonna need lemongrass, minced garlic, soy sauce, fish sauce, honey, black pepper, and vegetable oil. So first we're gonna need 1/4 cup of lemongrass diced up, a tablespoon of garlic, a tablespoon of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, and then 2 tablespoons of honey, and then half a tablespoon of black pepper, and then 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once you got everything ready for the marinade, you want to mix it real well before you coat the pork chop with the marinade. Once the pork chop is covered with the marinade, we're going to stick it in the fridge for like an hour before we start cooking it. So we're going to turn our stove on medium, and then we're going to put some olive oil, and then we're gonna coat. Oh, check it out. Here's our pork. It's been marinated for like an hour. So we're gonna check it out. These look like they're done. In a few minutes, look at the chop. We'll just let them rest. Come back to it. And then get our egg ready. Oh, check it out. Now we're gonna check it. It's been sitting here for a few minutes. Ooh, that is perfect. Look at this. Perfectly cooked. Juicy.
Smell the marinade and everything. Oh, wow, there's a bone there.
Alright, now we're just gonna transfer it to the plate. Check it out, we finished. Look at the pork chop, perfectly done. We got the egg, the veggies, and then the nuoc mam. Nuoc mam is basically fish sauce, sugar, and lime. Oh, we'll just put it on here. Well, actually, maybe we should taste it without it first. This is pretty good. Marinade definitely hits the spot. It definitely tastes like the Vietnamese restaurants. It could probably be better by hitting it on the charcoal grill. Really good. Try this recipe out, and I'll see you guys next time.